But let's talk power. And Rajendra Prasad Goyal, the Director of Finance at NHPC, joins in on the show right now. Mr. Goyal, great to have you on the show on ET Now. Thank you so much for joining in. Now, we understand that there has been a lull in commissioning of new projects at NHPC in specific. If we've got this, understood this right, NHPC has not commissioned any big project since that 330 megawatt Krishna Ganga HEP in FY18. But now Street expects things to reverse. Tell us a little bit about what is the status of your current projects and whether there is any new capacity which is going to come on stream.
Thank you. You are right. After 2018, when we commissioned Krishna Ganga 330 megawatt capacity, there was no new commissioning. But in FY 23, 24, we are going to commission our two big projects. That is one Parvati 2, 800 megawatt, and Subhansri lower, that is 2000 megawatt capacity. So 23-24 will be a commendable year for us so far commissioning of new projects is concerned. Then in 24-25, we are going to commission our Rangit 4 project of 120 megawatt capacity, and in 25-26 we are going to commission 4 hydro projects with the capacity of around 1600 megawatt, which are in our subsidiary companies. So our future is very bright and we are seeing a very wonderful future.
What role separately would solar play in the overall capacity going forward, and do you expect this to become a significant revenue contributor, let's say by FY27?
As of now, we are working on 1000 megawatt capacity in solar, which is going to be commissioned in next FY, and our revenue will be around 500 to 600 crore from this project.
Okay. So what will be your total operational capacity by end of FY24? Operational capacity, not the commission capacity.
So, as of now, we are operating 7071 megawatt, and by end of FY23-24, our total capacity will be around 10,000 megawatt.
How much?
10,000 megawatt from hydro and 1,000 megawatt from solar. So 11,000 will be the total operating capacity.
Okay. And how exactly are your contracts structured? I mean, are these long-term PPA which you are entering into states? How much of your total 11,000 megawatt capacity would be sold in the spot market?
Our total 100% capacity is long-term tied up with discoms. We are selling through long-term PPA only.
Now, most of the PPAs at the moment, they are long-term, but given the robust exchange mechanism that we've seen, is there a case, according to you, that NHPC will also increase the share in short-term sales? And if you could highlight, what will the split be?
No, we have no plan to sell in exchange. We believe in long-term PPA only. That's why we have tied up total capacity for long-term.
What is the update in terms of the receivable overdues from discoms like J&K? We understand that some sort of a resolution plan had been worked out. So post that, what is the total outstanding receivables for the company?
Yes. We were having outstanding in respect of J&K only. That was around 1,400 crore. But the same has been agreed to be liquidated in installments, 28 number of monthly installments, and we have already received 2 installments over 100 crore. So as of now, there is no overdues. We are having our total dues to the tune of 800 crore, which is less than 45 days. And we are receiving all the dues in time.
So what is the total cost of production and at what price are you selling? Because in long-term contracts, you're locked on both the sides.
Our average tariff is 3 rupees 38 paisa as on date. Taking on average basis, it is 3 rupees 38 paisa. And new projects tariff is coming around 4 rupees 50 paisa. So there is no issue in selling the tariff power of new project also. So far hydro is concerned, there is no issue for selling that power at 4 rupees 50 paisa to 5 rupees band.
What is your current plant load factor?
Sorry,
What is your current plant load factor?
in our case,
PLF.
plant factor is not there. It is PAF, plant availability factor, and our plant availability factor is more than the normative one, and we are operating as of now at around 90 to 92% plant availability factor. But on an average, it is more than 85%.
Right. Great to have you on the show today and join in on ET Now, Mr. Goyal. Glad that you could take time out.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.